Is it ever happened to you that you must be surprised? Like I have put my maximum CPC for Google Ads campaign at 0.10 or 0.15 cents per click, but yet I'm still seeing clicks more expensive than my allocated maximum CPC. Like I allocated 0.15 as a maximum CPC, but I'm getting clicks at $0.17. You must be surprised. Like how is it possible that Google is still sending me visitors while my allocated CPC is, let's say, uh, 0.15. So you must be wondering, or like, why I'm getting higher cost clicks than my allocated budget. You must be like, why is it happening on Google? Like I have set a budget, and I expect my, because that is the maximum amount I can pay for each click, and I'm getting clicks higher than my allocated budget. Like what is wrong with the Google? Why it is happening? Like why it is charging more than my allocated budget? So don't be surprised with this, because there is a reason why Google does it, and that is because you allowed Google to do so. Google is not doing that on your own, but you did a point which allowed Google to do such thing. So in this video, I'm going to answer that, like if you're getting higher cost clicks than your allocated budget, why it is happening with you, and I will even show you a live example of what is happening in the account, so you have a better idea on this. So let's say there is a I'm opening an account in front of you, and you can see that the maximum CPC for this keyword is $0.15, yet I got clicks at $0.17. Now you can see that I have by default $0.15 over here, but I'm getting clicks. Let me show you with a column as well, so you guys have a better idea on this as well. You can set column from here as well to determine how much it costs, but leave it for now, because it's gonna take a lot of time for me to set for each thing. But let's move back over here to see that apart from a high maximum allocated budget, I'm getting every CPC at $0.17, but my maximum CPC is $0.15. So why it is happening that average CPC is more than the allocated maximum CPC on my Google campaign? So answer is very, very easy, and that is you have to go to the open the campaign. Now move on to the settings. When you open the settings, you're gonna see over here the budget, and below over here CPC. In case if you have take this enhanced CPC, this can result in paying more than your allocated budget. What happens with enhanced CPC is Google allows itself, if you only allow Google, that they can go more than 30% more of your allocated budget if they think that the user is much more likely to convert well into a conversion. With a Google advanced AI and an advanced algorithm, the artificial intelligence Google is using, in case if they feel like if a particular user is going to convert well, they can go 30% more than your allocated budget, to see in case if they think that their visitor can get converted, and they are like almost sure that the visitor seems very interested, and how much more high likely to convert based on the past data of frequent buying, frequent online purchases, and their interest in the product as yours. So, then the Google may go over your allocated budget, and that too only up to 30%, and that only if you allow with this enhanced CPC. Otherwise Google won't do it. So I have allowed this in my conversions. So what can this read it? CPC can help you get more conversions from manual bidding. CPC works by raising your maximum CPC bids per click that seems more likely to lead to conversion, and lowering your maximum CPC for clicks that seems like less likely to convert. So this feature can help increase conversions and get much value from your budget. So in case if a user thinks that this visitor is not likely to convert, Google will automatically decrease your CPC as well. But you know, in a worst case scenario, you guys see clicks higher than your allocated budget, you guys get surprised. Oh my god, what I did wrong. So you know, that is the reason enhanced CPC is which is why you get to see higher amount of clicks, higher amount of money for each click to be spent than your allocated budget, because you allowed enhanced CPC and Google felt that the user might likely to convert well for your conversion. I hope this answers this question. And make sure, in case if you have any questions, you are much more likely to write in the comments box, and I will get a video on this as well. And thank you for watching this video. Thank you and bye bye.